take a look at how to create Google Kubernetes engine via console. Step 1. Enable container.googleapis.com API via console or command line. Go to the navigation menu, select APIs and Services. Click the Enable APIs and Services option. Type container.googleapis.com in the API search library. Select Kubernetes Engine API. Click the Enable button. Step 2. Create a service account. In this example, service account named ctech-gke is created. Next, grant the newly created service account Kubernetes Engine default node service account IAM role. Then grant the user who will be creating the Google Kubernetes Engine admin IAM role. In this case, I will be creating the Kubernetes Engine, and so my principal is granted Kubernetes Engine admin IAM role. Step 3. Select the navigation menu and then Kubernetes Engine and then click Clusters. Then click the Create Cluster option. Step 4. Switch to a standard cluster. We will be creating a standard cluster and not an autopilot cluster in this example. Next, provide a name for your GKE cluster, a region, and where you want the default node locations to be. Leave the release channel as is, select the standard tier, leave the section for fleet registration as is, and now we are going to create a node pool. We are not going to be reusing the default node pool, and so we have to create a new node pool. Click the Add Node Pool option and then provide a name for your node pool. In this example, we have renamed Pool 1 to Workspace 1. Next, provide the number of nodes, enable autoscaler option for your cluster, and then provide the size limit types and enter the minimum number of nodes and maximum number of nodes. Next, for machine type, we've chosen N1. And for the node pool networking section, select the maximum pods per node to be 64, and then choose the pod secondary CIDR range option. In the security section, choose the previously created service account for service account option. Now, for the node pool metadata, provide the labels. Next, we will be removing the default node pool. Select the default pool and then click Remove Node Pool. Leave Cluster Automation as is. In the networking section, select the default network and subnetwork. Leave Security and Backup Plan as is. Provide the metadata for your cluster. In this case, I'm giving labels owner and value as ctech, which is my organization name. And next, hit Create. As you can see, your cluster is created with Node Pool Workspace 1. Now your cluster is ready for use.